part, the large intestine will be discussed. The anatomy of large intestine, digestion, absorption, and transportation, and the effects of aging in digestive system. The large intestine consists of cecum, colon, rectum, and anal canal. Cecum is the proximal end of large intestine where it joins with the small intestine at the ileocecal junction. The cecum is located in the right lower quadrant of the abdomen near the iliac fossa. Attached to the cecum is about 9 cm long called the appendix. Next is the colon. The colon consists of ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. Ascending colon extends superiorly from the cecum to the right colic flexure near the liver. When it turns to the left, the transverse colon extends from the right colic flexure to the left colic flexure near the spleen, where the colon turns inferiorly while the descending colon extends from the left colic flexure to the pelvis, where it becomes the sigmoid colon. And then the rectum is a straight muscular tube that begins at the termination of the sigmoid colon and the ends at the anal canal. And lastly, the anal canal. Anal canal is surrounded by an internal anal sphincter and an external anal sphincter. So what is the functions of the large intestine? First is feces production and water absorption. Every 8 to 12 hours, large parts of the colon undergo several strong contractions called mass movement, which propel the colon contents a considerable distance toward the anus. And then the defecation. Defecation is the elimination of feces. Reflex activity moves feces through the external anal sphincter. The next topic is digestion, absorption, and transport. Digestion is the chemical breakdown of organic molecules into their component parts. After the molecules are digested, some diffuse through the intestine wall, others must transported across the intestine wall. In digested carbohydrates, which is the blue arrow, consists primarily of starches, cellulose, sucrose, and small amounts of fructose and lactose. Polysaccharides are split into disaccharides by salivary and pancreatic amylases. Disaccharides are broken down to monosaccharides by disaccharides on the surface of intestinal epithelium. Lipids, which is the white arrow. Lipid molecules are insoluble or only soluble in water. Bile salts emulsify lipids. Lipids are stored in adipose tissue and in the liver, both of which release the lipids into blood when energy sources are needed elsewhere in the body. Next is protein, which is the orange, which is the pink arrow. Proteins are split into small polypeptides by the stomach and pancreas. The peptides on the surface of intestinal cells. Amino acids are actively transported into cells under the influence of growth hormone and insulin. Amino acids are used to build new proteins or to serve as source of energy. And then it also processes the water and minerals. Water can move across the intestinal wall in either direction, depending on osmotic conditions. Approximately 99% of water entering the intestine is absorbed. Most minerals are actively transported across the wall of the intestine. And the last topic in digestive system is the effects of aging on the digestive system. As a person ages, the connective tissue layers of digestive tract, submucosa and serosa, tend to thin and the blood supply decreases. Mucus secretion and motility also decrease in the digestive tract. The defense of the digestive tract decline, leaving it more sensitive to infection and effects of agents. Also, the tooth enamel becomes thinner and the gingiva recede, exposing dentin, which may become painful and affect eating habits. And that's as for the digestive system. Thank you for watching.